Hello students, in previous class we completed solution of linear system of equations by using matrix method. In that already we completed some of the examples. Today we shall continue some more examples on solution of linear system of equations by using matrix method. Now let us consider one example. Solve 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 13, 2x plus y minus z equal to 3, x plus 3y minus 5z equal to minus 8 by matrix method. Now first we go for three matrices. First we take matrix A. It is coefficient matrix. Here coefficients are 3 minus 1 2. First row is 3 minus 1 2. Second row 2 1 minus 1. And third row is 1 3 minus 5. And x is a matrix of variables, it is x, y, z, and b is a matrix of constants, it is 13 3 minus 8. Now we go for determinant of a. It is determinant of 3 minus 1 2, 2 1 minus 1, 1 3 minus 5. It is equal to 3 into, it is plus minus plus, it is minus 5 plus 3 minus into minus plus 1, it is minus 10 plus 1 plus 2 into, it is 6 minus 1. So this is equal to 3 into minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 plus 1 into minus 9 plus 2 into 5. Now it is minus 6 minus 9 plus 10. Now it is minus 15 plus 10. It is minus 5, which is not equal to 0. Hence it is a non-singular square matrix. Inverse will exist. Now we go for cofactors of this matrix. Cofactors. We calculate all the cofactors. First A11, it is determinant of, deleting this column and row we get 1 minus 1 3 minus 5. So it is equal to minus 5 plus 3, it is minus 2. Next we go for cofactor of minus 1, that is A12, it is minus of the determinant. Deleting this column and row you get 2 minus 1 1 minus 5. So it is minus of minus 10 plus 1, it is minus of minus 9 is plus 9. Next A13, it is given by deleting this column and row you get 2 1 1 3. So it is 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Next A21, it is minus of determinant because it is odd. Now it is given by deleting this row and this column we get minus 1 2 3 minus 5. So we get it is minus of, it is 5 minus 6, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Next we go for A22, it is given by deleting this column and this row you get 3 2 1 minus 5. So it is equal to minus 15 minus 2, it is minus 17. Next A23, minus of determinant because again it is odd number. Now deleting this column and this row we get 3 minus 1 1 3. So we get it is minus of 9 plus 1 minus 10. Next A31, determinant of, it is deleting this column and this row we get minus 1 2 1 minus 1. So it is 1 minus 2, it is minus 1. Next A32, it is minus of determinant, again it is odd number. Deleting this column and this row we get 3 2 2 minus 1. So it is minus of minus 3 minus 4, it is equal to 7. Next A33, it is determinant of, it is 3 minus 1, it is 2 1, so it is 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Now these are cofactors of the given square matrix. Now we go for adjoint and inverse of this one. Next, adjoint of A is given by cofactors and its transpose of that matrix. Now it is minus 2 9 5, first row. Second row is 1 minus 17 minus 10. Third row is minus 1 7 5. Now transpose of this is given by, it is minus 2 1 minus 1 9 minus 17 7 5 minus 10 5. Now we go for inverse of the matrix. A inverse given by, it is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. It is determinant of A is minus 5, it is written as minus 1 by 5 into minus 2 1 minus 1 9 minus 17 7. Third row is 5 minus 10 5. Now we go for matrix method formula, that is x equal to A inverse into B. It is minus 1 by 5 minus 2 1 minus 1 9 minus 17 7 5 minus 10 5 into B. Here B matrix is 13 3 minus 8. Now we start multiplication of these two matrices. Now we get, it is minus 1 by 5 as it is. Here x is xyz into multiplying these two, minus 2 into 13 minus 26, 1 into 3 3, minus into minus plus 8, first row. Next we go for second row, that is 9 into 13, it is not 7 minus 51 minus 56. Next 13 5 is 65 minus 30 minus 40. Now simplifying this we get minus 1 by 5 as it is. Now 3 plus 8 11 minus 26 is minus 15. Next second row, minus 51 minus 56, it is minus 107, it is plus, it is minus 107, it is plus 107. And third row is 65 minus 30 minus 40 minus 70 plus 65, it is minus 5. So it is minus 117 minus 51 minus 56, it is 10. Now 65 minus 70 is minus 5. Now by dividing by all the elements by minus 1 by 5 we get minus 1 by 5 into minus 15, it is 3. Minus 1 by 5 into 10 is minus 2. Minus 1 by 5 into minus 5 is 1. So it implies x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2, z equal to 1. So these are solutions of the system of linear equations by matrix method. Now we can verify by substituting these values in any one equation. If you take the first equation, put x equal to 3, you get 3 into 3 9, minus y is minus 2, it is 9 plus 2 11, plus 2 into 1, that is 2, 11 plus 2 is 13, here also 13, so I get 13 equal to 13. It is verified like this. we find the solution. Take the solution. Next we go for another example. Here first equation is x minus y plus 2z equal to 7, 3x plus 4y minus 5z equal to minus 5, 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 12. You can solve by this matrix method. First we go for three matrices. It is first matrix is 1 minus 1 2. Second matrix coefficients are 3, 4, minus 5, and third row is coefficient of third linear equation, that is 2 minus 1 3. Next x equal to again x y z because three variables, and constant b is constant value 7 minus 5 12. Now we find determinant of a. Determinant of a is given by 1 minus 1 2, 3 4 minus 5, 2 minus 1 3, plus minus plus, so it is 1 into 12 minus 5, it is minus into minus plus 1, it is 9, minus into minus plus 10, plus 2 into, it is minus 3, minus 8. Now simplifying this, 12 minus 5 is 7, plus 9 plus 10 is 19, minus 2 into 11, that is minus 22, so it is 7 plus 19, it is 26, minus 22, it is equal to 4, which is not equal to 0, it is non-singular square matrix. Then we go for cofactors of A. Then A11 is given by determinant of setting this column and this row, we get 4 minus 5 minus 1 3. So it is 12 minus 5, it is 7. Next A12 is minus of determinant, because it is odd, it is deleting this column and this row, 3 minus 5 2 3. So it is minus of 9 plus 10, it is minus 19. A13 is deleting this column and this row, we get 3 4 2 minus 1. So we get minus 3 minus 8, it is minus 11. Next A21, it is minus of the determinant, deleting this row and this column, we get minus 1 2 minus 1 3. So it is minus of minus 3 plus 2, it is 1. Next A22, deleting this column and this row, we get 1 2 2 3. So it is 4 minus 3, it is 1. Next A23, minus of determinant, deleting this column and this row, we get 1 minus 1 2 minus 1. So it is minus of minus 1 plus 2, it is minus 1. Next A31, it is determinant of, deleting this column and this row, we get minus 1 2 4 minus 5. So it is 5 minus 8, it is minus 3. Next A32, again minus of determinant, deleting this column and this row, we get 1 2 3 minus 5. So it is minus of minus 5 minus 6, it is plus 11. Next A33, it is determinant of, deleting this column and this row, we get 1 minus 1 3 4. So it is 4 plus 3, it is equal to 7. So these are cofactors of this square matrix. Now we go for adjoint and inverse. Now it is A21, It is 1, A22 is 1, 2, 2, 3, it is first 3 minus 4, it is minus 1. Next, adjoint of A is given by transpose of all cofactors, it is 7 minus 19, 11. Second row is 7 minus 19 minus 11, it is 1 minus 1 minus 1. Third row is minus 3, 11, 7. Now transpose of this is, it is 7, 1 minus 3. Second row minus 19 minus 1, 11. Third row minus 11 minus 1, 7. Now we go for A inverse, that is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here determinant of A is 4, then we write it as 1 by 4 into 7, 1 minus 3, minus 19 minus 1, 11, minus 11 minus 1, 7. Now we go for x value, that is given by x equal to A inverse into B. X is xyz equal to A inverse is 1 by 4, 7, 1 minus 3, minus 19 minus 1, 11, minus 11 minus 1, 7 into B matrix is 7 minus 5, 12. So multiplying these two we get, it is 1 by 4 as it is, 7 into 7, 49, minus 1 into 5, 5, minus 36. Next second row, 19 into 7, 133, minus into minus, plus 5, plus 132, third row, minus 77, minus into minus, plus 5, it is plus 84. Now it is 1 by 4 into minus 5 minus 6, 36, minus 41 plus 49, it is 8. 132 plus 5, 137, 137 minus 133, it is 4. Next, 84 plus 5, 89, 89 minus 77. So we get, it is 15. Now, sorry, it is 84 plus 5, 89, 89 minus 7, it is 12. Now I get it as 2, 1, 3. It is x, y, z. Therefore x is 2, y is 1, z equal to 3. These are values of x, y and z. Now we can verify again by using any one of the equation. If you take first equation, x minus y plus 2z equal to 7. So put x equal to 2, y equal to 1. We get 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 2 times of 3, it is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So we get LHS equal to RHS. It is verification. Take the solution. I go for one wording example by matrix method. It is given that the cost of 4 kg of onion, 3 kg of wheat and 2 kg of rice is 60, and the cost of 2 kg of onion, 4 kg of wheat and 6 kg of rice is 90, and the cost of 6 kg of onion, 2 kg of wheat and 3 kg of rice is 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Now we convert these conditions into linear equation. After that we go for matrix method. First we convert these wording example into linear equation systems. Solution. It is given that it is having 3 quantities, that is onion, wheat and rice. So there are totally 3 things, and they are given the relation between the sum of those things, that is 60, 90 and 70 rupees respectively. Now we can calculate the cost of each item per kg. Now we consider, let x, y and z be the prices of onion, wheat and rice per kg. Then we get, now according to this we can write the equations. We taken onion per kg as x rupees, y it is per kg of wheat and z is the variable for per kg of rice. Now it is given first 4 kg of onion, 3 kg of wheat and 2 kg of rice. According to this we get, it is 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to, given it as 60. Similarly, second equation we get, it is 2 kg, 4 kg, 6 kg means 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 90. Similarly, third equation, it is 6 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. We get 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70. Now these are three system of linear equations. Now we can use matrix method for solving them. So for that, first we go for three matrices. A equal to, it is coefficient matrix, it is 4, 3, 2. Second row 2, 4, 6. Third row 6, 2, 3. And x is, again we consider three variables for three items, that is x, y, z, and b equal to constants. Matrix of constant, it is 60, 90, 70. Next we go for determinant of A. Now it is given by, it is plus minus plus 4 into 12 minus 12 minus 3 into 6 minus 36 plus 2 into 4 minus 24. Now it is equal to 0 minus 3 into 6 minus 36 is minus 30 plus 2 into minus 20. It is equal to 90 minus 40, it is 50, which is not equal to 0. Now it is non-singular matrix. Now we go for cofactors. Cofactors of A. First we write A11. It is determinant of, deleting this column and row, we get 4, 6, 2, 3. So it is 12 minus 12, it is 0. A12 minus of determinant, deleting this column and row, we get 2, 6, 6, 3. So I get, it is minus of 6 minus 36, it is 30. Next A13, the determinant of, deleting this column and row, we get, it is 2, 4, 6, 2. So it is 4 minus 24, it is minus 20. Next A21 is again minus of determinant, deleting this column and this row, get 3, 2, 2, 3. So it is minus of 9 minus 4, it is minus 5. Next A22, it is determinant of, deleting this column and this row, get 4, 2, 6, 3. So it is 12 minus 12, it is 0. Next we go for A23, it is minus of determinant again. Now it is deleting this column and this row, get 4, 3, 6, 2. So it is minus of 12 minus 18. it is 6. Next A31, determinant of writing this column and this row, you get 3, 2, 4, 6. So it is 18 minus 8, it is 10. Next A32, minus of the determinant, it is writing this column and this row, you get 4, 2, 2, 6. So it is minus of 24 minus 4, it is minus 20. Next A33 element, it is determinant of writing this column and this row, you get 4, 3, 2, 4. So it is 16 minus 6, it is 10. So these are cofactors of the square matrix. Now here A23 minus of 4, 3, 6, 2, it is minus of 8 minus 18, that is equal to 10. Now we go for adjoint of A, it is transpose of cofactors. So first row is 0, 30 minus 20, second row is, it is minus 5, 0, 10, and third row is 10 minus 20, 0, 30 minus 20, minus 5, 0, 10, next 10 minus 20, 10. Now transpose of this is given by 0, minus 5, 10, second row 30, 0, minus 20, third row minus 20, 10, 10. Now we go for inverse of the matrix. A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A value is 15. 1 by 50 into 0 minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10, 10. So like this we find inverse of the matrix. Then by matrix method we know that x equal to A inverse into B. X is nothing but x, y, z. A inverse is 1 by 50, 0 minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10, 10 into B matrix is 60, 90, 70. Now we multiply these two. 1 by 50 as it is. First row with first column, it is 0 minus 5 into 90, 450 plus 10 into 70, 700. It is next 30 into 60, 1800 plus 0 minus 1400. Next 20 into 60 minus 1200 plus 10 into 9900 plus 7 into 10, 700. Now it is 1 by 50 as it is. Simplifying, it is 700 minus 450. It is subtracting this one. It is 250. Next 1800 minus 1400, 400. Next 1200 minus 9 plus 7, 1600 minus 1200 is 400. It is dividing all element by 50 we get. It is 55 58 58 left hand side is x, y, z. Therefore x equal to 5, y equal to 8, z equal to 8. So these are solutions of this system of linear equations. So they asked the question, find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Therefore the cost of 1 kg of onion we get 5 rupees, Therefore, cost of 1 kg of onion equal to 5. Next, cost of 1 kg of wheat is equal to rupees 8. And third, the cost of rice, cost of 1 kg of rice is equal to rupees 8. So this is the solution of given question. It's like this you find by using the matrix method. Take the solution. Now I go for some of the KCET and JEE main questions by using that results of determinants, and now I go for some of the KCET and JEE main examples by using the determinants. Now first we consider first example. If A equal to 2 minus 3 1 4, then determinant of A into A dash equal to. Now we find the value of this one, determinant of A into A dash. Now we can apply the property determinant of A into A dash is given by determinant of A into determinant of A dash. Now we know that determinant of A and A dash are always equal. For that we find determinant of A. Determinant of A is here 2 minus 3 1 4. It is 2 into 4 is 8. Plus minus into minus plus 3 it is 11. If determinant of A is 11, determinant of A dash is also 11 because both are equal, because you know that determinant of A and determinant of A dash are equal. Now we want the value of determinant of A dash. It is determinant of A into determinant of A dash, because the reason is determinant of AB equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Now it is determinant of A is 11, it is also 11, we get 121. So it is second option for this question. Next we go for second question. Inverse of minus cos theta sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta cos 2 theta is. Now first we find the determinant of this square matrix. Determinant of A is given by, so it is minus cos 2 theta into minus cos 2 theta is minus cos square 2 theta minus determinant and product of these two is sin square 2 theta. So it is minus common, it is cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. It is minus of cos square 2 theta plus sin square theta is 1, so it is minus 1 determinant of A value. Then we find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is change of diagonal elements and change of non-diagonal element sign. Now we change the diagonal elements, we get here cos 2 theta, here minus cos 2 theta, here minus sin 2 theta, it is minus sin 2 theta. Next, A inverse is given by 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, it is 1 by minus 1 into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, it is minus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. This stuff we get. Now if we multiply all the elements by minus sign, we get the result minus cos 2 theta sin 2 theta sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Now we check the options, it is not there in 1 and in 2, in 3 also, therefore the correct option is fourth one, none of these. So it is solution of second question. Next we go for third question. If A square minus A plus I equal to 0 or O null matrix, then A is inverse of A is. Now we go for inverse of the given matrix by using this equation. So for that we consider a square minus a equal to minus I, we take that side, or it may be also written as, if you take minus this side, you get a minus a square equal to I. Then we multiplying by a inverse, we get it is a into or a inverse into a minus a inverse into a square, it is a inverse into I. Now by 3 multiplying by a inverse, we get this step. We know that a inverse is equal to I minus a inverse a square is a, it is equal to a inverse into I is a inverse, because a inverse into a equal to I and a into I equal to a. Using these two results we get inverse of the matrix, that is I minus a. So this is the correct answer, that is third option. I minus a is inverse of the given matrix. Next, go for fourth question. If x y cube 2 0 equal to 1820, then in xy 2 0 its inverse, means inverse of this matrix we have to calculate by using this one. Now we go for solution of this. First they given that x y cube 2 0 equal to 1820 times 1 2 cube 2 0. Now by comparing both equation we get y value, so y cube equal to 2 cube, therefore y equal to 2. So y cube equal to 2 cube, it implies y equal to 2. Then the matrix is x y 2 0 is nothing but it is 1 2, it is 2 0. Now its inverse you want, its inverse is given by 1 2 2 0, its inverse is given by change of diagonal elements, it is 0 1, change of sign of these two minus 2 minus 2. So our answer is 0 minus 2 minus 2 1. Check the option. 0 minus 2 minus 2 1, it is adjoint we get here, it is adjoint, inverse is given by, it is 1 by determinant of a, 1 by determinant of a is determinant of a, it is 1 into 0, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, it is 1 by minus 4, 0 minus 2 minus 2 1. Now multiplying every element by minus 1 by 4, it is 0, minus 2 by minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, minus 2 by it is 1 by 2, 1 into minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4. Now it is fourth option, so it is answer for that question. Next we go for question number 5. The inverse of symmetric matrix is, first option diagonal matrix, second symmetric matrix, third skew symmetric matrix, fourth one is zero matrix. Now we conclude by using one example. If you take A equal to 1 2 2 3, if it is a square matrix. Now if you check A dash again you get 1 2 2 3. So we get A dash equal to A. Therefore here A is symmetric matrix. Now we check inverse of this. Here determinant of A is given by 3 minus 4, it is minus 1, and adjoint of A is given by, it is change of diagonal elements, it is 3 1, change of sign minus 2 minus 2. Now A inverse is given by, it is 1 by minus 1 into 3 minus 2 minus 2 1, it is minus 3 2 2 minus 1. Now if we check the symmetric part of this, if we transpose this matrix, minus 3 2 2 minus 1, we get again minus 3 2 2 minus 1 only. Therefore it is symmetric. Therefore inverse of symmetric matrix is a symmetric matrix. It is second option. Take the solution. Sir, divide 1 time.